Hello everyone! Today in this video I will be showing you how to set a video as the text background just like what you see here. So let's start. First of all, I have added the Oswald font from Google Fonts, so these are the links for that, but you can still use any font you want. And then I have also added a background image to the body, which is just optional. Doesn't really matter, depends on your design. So this is the background image. Okay, so to start, let's add a container and then inside it, let's add the video that we're going to use as the background. So container, and then video. So for the video, we should add autoplay and then loop and also muted. And let's add the source inside. So mine is called ocean.mp4 and the type is video slash mp4 there and so there, as you can see, we have this margins here, so let's add margin 0 to the body. There, the margin has been removed. Next, we're going to style the video. You can see here that the video is large, so for that to fit, let's add with 100%. Okay, 100% for the width. And let's add object fit. And let's set it to cover. And for the height, it will depend on the text height, so we will set it later. We'll need to add the text first, and it will be inside a container that I will call banner. Then I'll use H1 there. So you can see that the text is under the video. For that to be on top of the video, we'll need to add position absolute to the banner class. I mean to the element banner. And then let's also add with 100% and then top 0 for now. Okay, so I'm going to add styling to the text. Font size, I'll use 8M. And to center it, I'll add align text. I mean text align. Center. Okay, so next that I'm going to do is add a background color. That would be white. And then I should set the color to black. And then I'll add mix blend mode. And I'll set it to screen. There, so you can see the video and the background. Let me just fix it first. So for the video, we will set the height now. So I guess it would be no. Okay. Let me fix first the height of the text. So I'll add margin 0 to the heading. 0. Okay. Okay, there. So I need to center this. So let's add styling to the container. Let's set the display to flex and then the flex direction to column. And we'll need to add justify content to center, so it will be centered vertically. Center, and let's also add height to 100 VH. Okay, so let me check first. So I need to update the top for the text. So I think this is 30%. Oh, it's too much. Let me reduce it to 27%. And also I'll need to update the height. I'll increase it. I'll use 20 m. So there. I hope this tutorial was easy to understand. If you have questions or suggestions, you can just leave it on the comments.